Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my Dzignreviewpdf video review. This is the easiest side hustle that makes us money on Autopilot, never seen before. 9-in-1 AI app rivals Photoshop and MidJourney. With zero designing skills, we publish our designs to our built-in marketplace and make $521.11 per day in profit. Comes loaded with over 2,000 pre-made AI templates and 330 plus hot niches, equipped with 10 mind-blowing AI features: background remover, photo colorizer, photo enhancement, image compression, image to text, and more. Watch how we turn an idea to a stunning design without using any complex app in just 20 seconds. Generate futuristic AI designs with a click of a button. Turn a keyword into box shot, e-cover, logo, flyers, banners, business cards, websites, and more. Never use Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator or MidJourney again. No learning or experience needed. Dzignn is an intuitive app. Never pay a designer again. Do all your designs in seconds. Use Dzignn to charge clients $497 for any design. Zero limits on features or usages. Dzignn will line up customers for you on Autopilot. Sell your designs on our marketplace with thousands of instant buyers. 99.99% uptime guaranteed, zero upfront cost, 30 days money back guarantee. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.